Hey, I'm the Classy Cheapskate, and this week I embarked on a mission to recreate a vibrant Easter spring dress look sourced from thrift stores with a strict budget of $1 per item. Let's dissect this Pinterest subject's ensemble. She's adorning sunglasses, a cinched waist dress in blue, high-heeled tan shoes, chunky blue earrings, a wide rhinestone bracelet, a bright magenta chunky ring, and a big blue rectangular handbag. My thrift store adventure began on discount day, where I snagged 4 dresses in spring-friendly colors: white, peach, bright yellow-green, and mint green. Since blue seemed to be nowhere on the racks of my local thrift establishments, I had to opt for other colors. Flexibility was key, as I embraced these alternate hues for the season. While I found plenty of sunglasses and shoes, the jewelry and purses posed a challenge. Undeterred, though, I opted to purchase additional items at the thrift store to sell on Poshmark, which gave me enough funding to purchase eye-catching matching accessories online to bring these outfits to the next level. I ordered some really spectacular-looking purses, including House of Want brand, Betsy Johnson earrings, and a statement ring that would match all of the outfits, as well as a set of gold bracelets. But then I ran into yet another problem. Some of the brand new items that I ordered actually arrived damaged. I tried to reorder and one was already sold out. Despite encountering a few hiccups, I persevered, ultimately achieving my goal without spending a dime. The journey wasn't without its sacrifices. I even parted with some favorite pieces to break even. Here's the thing, though. I have 4 outfits to choose from, and I'm fine with letting someone else have a nice, fun Easter look, too. This project, it's been immensely rewarding, and I'm already looking forward to repeating the process for future holidays and special occasions. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and I hope it inspires you to explore the treasures waiting to be discovered at your local thrift store. Until next time.